Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these buggy bands. They keep mosquitoes away. I'm going to answer all the questions you could possibly have. I've gotten 4 different mosquito repellents. I bought all of them and tested them. I'm going to take a look at this one today for you. This one's actually really, really cool. Let's take a closer look. You're going to get 24 of these packages right over here. Very, very important. Do not cut this open. This bag is resealable. These do last 2 to 6 days. So when you are done using it, you put it back in the bag and seal it. I'm gonna go over all that in a second. The cool part about these, when we take a closer look, so we're just gonna open this like this. They have a citronella smell to them. There's none of the DEET or any of that stuff in there, which I really appreciate right over there. And you don't have to do bug spray. This is how they come wrapped up right over here. So you'll see they all come in all different sorts of designs and colors and everything like that. It's kind of like it gives like a friendship bracelet vibe. Um, these do have a big scent to them. I will say that. It is like the citronella scent, but I think it is because it lasts 2 to 6 days. Some of the other ones I have don't have almost it's not like a bad smell. It's just like, hey, it's citronella. So what you're going to do here, it's hard to tie and be on camera, but you're going to put one, there's a little loop here. So you're going to just put one right over here. This is adjustable. This could put on any wrist. You'll see right over there, you can, and then you could just tie it off however you want. So you want it a little bigger, you kind of go on, and then you can make your knot right over here and just tie this up, and you don't have to worry about it. So for example, you could tie it up high. It's not that hard. I just have big fingers and I'm not great at tying stuff. But it's super easy to do. So just kind of go like that, and now we have our bracelet situated right over there, and we could just easily slip it on your hand or your wrist, or you could even do your ankle. So you'll see right over here, I did it like that, and you'll see plenty of space here. It's not kind of super overwhelming or anything like that, and you just have that on like this. Like I said, it could last up to 2 to 6 days. Obviously, it depends. So if you're done with this right over here, you're just gonna slide it off your wrist. You can untie it if you want. I typically don't. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this Ziploc, this little zip bag, just kind of roll it up a little bit, just like that. And you're just gonna put it right in here, and you're good to go. You will note, um, you'll see here you got the natural essential ingredients and all that stuff. You will notice that this package is really small, and I really do like that about these. And you get all different colors, designs, really, really nice. I haven't really come across one that has a really nice design like these do. They're easy to take on the go with you. I do like the fact that they are have that kind of citronella smell to them. It's not bad at all. No DEET. I hate using bug spray, so this is great for that. So if you are looking for a great way to keep the mosquitoes away, wearing a wristband or an ankle bracelet, definitely check these out. One thing to note, you should really not go swimming with these because it will kind of mess that up. But other than that, these are absolutely awesome, and I hope you keep the mosquitoes away.